Hello everyone, I am Sarvesh from Let's Code with Sarvesh. So our today's tutorial is based on TurboWrap. So on TurboWrap today we are going to make an awesome animation on baseball. So our basic step is to choose a backdrop based on baseball. So click on backdrop and select sports section. Which backdrop you like, you can select that one. So I like this baseball one. I chosen it. So now we have to choose a spread. Again on sports and whatever whatever baseball player you like you can change. I like batter, so I am taking him and making his size less from 100 to 50. Now I am making him stand on this plate, on this base of baseball. So now we have to choose a baseball which you can get from sports section. So baseball is too much big, so let's make it size 30. So here it is of baseball. So our basic steps are done. Now let's code. So first of all, go on events and from these two blocks you can choose any block. I'm taking when space key means any key is pressed, then first of all go on motion and select. Take baseball to the place of batter. So take this, not this one. Take this block here and make baseball back on front of this line. Now we have to go on control, not on control, on event and broadcast message 1. Then when here ball will go, baseball will go, it will broadcast message 1. Now click on batter and select. When I receive message 1, then change switch costume to batter C, because on batter C he is hitting the ball with full speed. Batter C, and again click on events and select broadcast message. Click on message 1 and type any letter. For example, I am typing H. Now go on baseball and select. When I receive H, then on motion glide 1 6 to random position. Okay, on random position, so click on 1 and make it means change its seconds, means it timer that for that time you have to glide the ball. I am changing it into not this much, it will take more time. So our code is done here. Now let's see our code. That was nice. So if you like my video, means my animation, then try it, and if it works, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel and share it everywhere. If you make subscribers more, then I will show you a special project from which I am working from 3 months. So thank you.